Ever accidentally delete a file on your Android phone and desperately search for a recycle bin like you would on your computer? Well, Android handles deleted files a little differently, so let's dive in. First, it's important to understand that, unlike Windows or macOS, Android doesn't have a system-wide recycle bin or trash folder where all deleted files automatically go. However, many apps have their own built-in trash or recently deleted folders. A prime example is Google Photos. Open the Google Photos app on your Android device. Look for the library icon, usually at the bottom right of the screen, and tap on it. Here, you should see a trash or bin option. Tap on that. Inside, you'll find photos and videos you've deleted within the last 30 or 60 days, depending on your settings. You can select any item and tap Restore to bring it back to your main photos library. Keep in mind that after the specified time period, these files are permanently deleted. Now, let's check your File Manager app. Many file manager apps, like Files by Google, also have a similar recently deleted feature. Open your File Manager app. Look for a menu icon, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or 3 vertical dots, often located in the top left or right corner. Tap on it and search for a trash, bin, or recently deleted folder. The naming might vary depending on your specific File Manager app. Just like in Google Photos, you can select files from here and restore them to their original location. Be aware that these files will also be permanently deleted after a certain period, usually 30 days. So, while Android doesn't have a universal recycle bin, these app-specific trash folders offer a second chance to recover accidentally deleted files. Make sure to check these locations promptly if you delete something important. And that's how you can find something similar to a recycle bin on your Android phone.